Hey y'all, so we're gonna start this vlog right here in the middle. So I'm currently getting dressed. I'm about to go to the mall because I ordered my son some shoes for school and they're too big. They like the Jordan ones, and I thought like they run small, so I was just assuming that like they were narrow and he would fit. But girl, that's like a whole half size too big, maybe even two. But anywho, we're gonna do that and do some little fun activities. And since y'all wanted me to vlog, I'm gonna try to vlog today. So come on for the ride. All right, guys, so I finished my makeup. Now I'm about to get me and my kids ready. My son, as you look at him, my son over there, we're gonna go get dressed and we're gonna hit the mall and may go to another few stores because he still needs some school supplies. So let's get ready to go. Say hey. All right, let's get dressed. All right, so we have Jackson here. She is about to get dressed because look, she thinks she dressed herself, but we're not wearing that. So
why?
Because we're not wearing that. So let's get dressed, y'all, because I've already taken enough time taking my time to do my makeup. But it turned out good. So let's get dressed.
Okay.
We'll be back once we dress. Or maybe we'll show you guys the process of getting two kids dressed. All right, y'all. We are headed to the mall. Finally, we are dressed.
Okay, y'all. That's our way.
We had to turn around home twice because this stuff is all in my mouth. Because
your mommy just lost her phone.
I left my phone and I wanted to go check the mail because I had to order me a new card, y'all, because he had some fraudulent. Okay, so I was hoping that my car would be here so that way, yeah, it would just be so much better. So we about to ride out to the mall. So let's ride to the mall. Say hey, y'all. All right, so we came out to eat. She just is our food. She wants trying to see her eat. JJ. And again. Girl. Good job, boo. High five. Wait for your ball. Okay. High five, boo. High five. This one might. Yay! Woo!
Yes.
You don't jump. All right, y'all. So we outside, changing my brakes on my tires. What?
Huh?
We have the kids in Dad's car while we're working on my car.
Mom, you have apple.
When we get in the house. So yeah. We're working hard, guys. None of them fit. We outside getting some walk home, trying to exercise. Trying. Everything is a day by day process. So we're out here as a family walking.